How to delete Uber Eats account. Welcome to the channel and let's start with a tutorial. First and foremost, open up your Uber Eats application and make sure you are logged in. Select your menu icon at the top. Then you have to select the option of settings from this list. So go ahead and tap on your settings option. Then you have to head to the option of privacy in settings. So go ahead and select the option of privacy. In here at the very bottom, you should find an option called delete your account. Select the option of delete your account. Once you tap on it, you will have to enter your password to continue with the process. Also make sure that if Uber Drive and Uber Eats are interlinked, that is, if you use the same email address for both of the account, even your Uber Drive will be deleted. Now once you are made sure of it, you can continue with the deletion process. If you face any of the difficulty during this process, there might be a bug issue. To solve the issue, you can head out of your Uber Eats and press and hold on to it to head to app info. Force stop it and head to storage and cache, then tap on clear cache. Once you do this, you can open up your Play Store or App Store and search for Uber Eats on the search bar. If there is an update, you will have to leave it for an update. If not, uninstall the application and reinstall it once again. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.